Hey guys, Katie Levert here, and I have a question for you. Do you ever watch the news and think, ooh, I just want to snuggle back in and start again tomorrow? I know I sure do, and that feeling is what inspired me to start my new blog. It is called Sip Sip Hooray, where we are going to celebrate the everyday. I'm going to scour the calendar and take a look at all those kind of weird, obscure days like National Pizza Day or Send a Card to a Friend Day or even the This Is Us season finale. And I'm going to help plan recipes and cocktails and family fun nights to where you guys can take a normal day and turn it into a celebration. So follow us on social media, on Facebook and Instagram at sipsiphooray.blog, as well as check out our actual blog at www.sipsiphooray.blog. I look forward to helping to plan some really cool events for you guys. And hey, we only get one chance at this life, so why not celebrate? I hope you enjoy this exciting new venture, and I look forward to seeing you guys. Thanks so much.